Hi everyone, Amanda Jane from Amanda Jane Crafts here, and in today's video I'm going to do something a bit different and review this book by Jane Crowfoot. It's called The Complete Crochet Handbook, and it's really a beginner's handbook with fantastic diagrams to show you how to crochet. And the thing I like about it most is it's got some fantastic photographs, lovely examples of motifs and stitches that she shows you throughout the book. So let's just have a little look at the contents. It talks about hooks, techniques, shapes and stitches, how to do edgings, which is fun, and some finishing touches. Now, I'm not going to go through each of these. There's a little bit of story about her with examples of some of her designs, which are fantastic inspiration for colour combinations. I think you'll agree it's really great. It's a beautifully laid out book. The thing about it is that it's written for a UK audience, so you're going to have to be a bit careful if you're used to US terms, because these are all written in the UK terminology. But you'll get used to it. Let me just turn to the back of the book, where I think it's important to put your newly acquired skills into practice. So we've got joining blocks together, and we've got some lovely motifs. Here we go. Here's two motifs, and it gives you good instructions for doing this heart, this beautiful motif here, a heart rose. And then I have done quite a few of these little springtime flowers. So it's a great book. Now, I have found an error. So if you look at these pictures, you need to make sure that the instructions actually match the pictures. So that's an important thing to consider. So for instance, in this particular small rose, it actually does not match the picture. So watch out for that. Really important that you do that correctly, because this is not 12 treble crochet in UK terms into the ring. That is actually a double crochet UK term. So do read these instructions very carefully and make sure you don't get unexpected results. So maybe not for a beginner this bit, but certainly when it comes to the pictures of how to do the stitches, this is extremely clear. So there we go. This is the Complete Crochet Handbook from Jane Crowfoot, a really well-respected designer. So hop over to your local bookshop and order this. Obviously, you can find it online. And that's the video from me. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell for notifications. And I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Take care. Bye.